Good morning, class. Let's get started with some phonogram review. Our first phonogram is ch, three-letter ch, used after a single vowel that says a, or a. What are you going to write? Good, ch, three-letter ch, used after a single vowel that says a, or a. Say it while you write it. All right, class, what did you just write? Good, ch, three-letter ch, used after a single vowel that says a, or a. This is our ch, three-letter ch, used after a single vowel that says a, or a. You know what to do if you didn't have that. 3 times saying it. All right, the next one is the of her. What are you going to write? Good, the of her. Say it while you write it. All right, class, what did you just write? Good, the of her. I hope we know that one by now, so we can stop practicing it. I know in class most of us do. All right, the next one is a. What are you going to write? Good, a. Say it while you write it. All right, class, what did you just write? Good, a. All right, our next phonogram, so if you didn't have that, write it 3 times. Say it while you write it. All right, the next one is or. What are you going to write? Good, or. Say it while you write it. All right, class, what did you just write? Good, or. All right. The next one is the O of boat. What are you going to write? Good, the O of boat. Say it while you write it. All right, class, what did you just write? Good, the O of boat. The O of boat. All right. Our last phonogram is ch, k, sh. What are you going to write? Good, ch, k, sh. Say it while you write it. All right, class, what did you just write? Good, ch, k, sh. So if you didn't have that, write it 3 times, saying it while you write it. These are mostly older ones, so I'm hoping we knew all of them. If not, let's work hard on remembering our phonograms. That's going to help us with our reading and spelling. All right, our first word is pitch. Class, what's the word? Good, pitch. So to pitch something means to throw it. I will pitch the ball as hard as I can. Pitch. What sounds do you hear in the word pitch, class? Good. Our sounds are p, I, ch. We're going to use ch, 3-letter ch, used after a single vowel that says a, I, or a. Which ch are you using? Good. Ch, 3-letter ch, used after a single vowel that says a, I, or a. Say it while you write it. All right, class, put your finger under the first phonogram in the word pitch. What does it say? Good. Which ch? Good ch. Three-letter ch used after a single vowel that says a, or a. All right, let's go through the markings. Does this need a marking? How about this? It's saying its first sound. How about this? Good. Pick up your pencil and mark it. All right, let's read our word. Good. Pitch. All right. The next word is pitcher. What's the word? Good. Pitcher. So we're going to take our base word pitch and we're going to add an to the end to make a new word. So what's it called when we add something to the end? All right, if you said suffix, great job. So we're going to add a suffix to change our word. So our word is pitcher. How many syllables in pitcher? Good, I hope you're showing me this. 2 syllables in pitcher. All right, our first syllable is our base word pitch. What are we going to write for our first syllable pitch? And which ch? Good, ch. 3-letter ch used after a single vowel that says a, or a. All right, our second syllable is We're going to use the of her. Which are we using? Good, the of her. Right, pitcher, remember your syllable break. All right, put your finger under the first phonogram in that word you just wrote. Actually, why don't you do the whole first syllable for me? What's the first syllable? Good, pitch. And which ch do we use in pitch? Good, ch. 3-letter ch used after a single vowel that says a, or a. And what's our second syllable? Good, Which the of her. All right, let's go through our markings. So pencil down. Does this need a marking? Good. How about this? All right, pick up your pencil. All right, let's read our word. Good, pitcher. All right. Our next word is base. What's the word? Good, base. I was running to 3rd base. Base. What sounds do we hear in base? Good, our sounds are b, a, s. What lets our a say a? Good, silent final e, job 1. Write the sounds, say them while you write them. All right, put your finger under the first phonogram in that word, class. What is it? Good, a, good, and good. This says bass right now to make it say base. To make our vowel say its name, we need something that'll make it say its name. The one we could use here is silent final E, job 1. Let's go through the markings. It's part of our team. And good, we need to double underline our silent final E, job 1. Pick up your pencil. All right, let's read our word. Good, base. All right, our next word is a compound word. The word is baseball. Class, what's the word? Good, baseball. So the first syllable and my first word is base. My second syllable and my second word is ball. I'm going to smash them together and make my new word baseball. All right, the first syllable is base. What are we going to write for base? Good, we still have to make our A say A. So what is this? Good, silent final E job 1. Write that first syllable base. All right, our second syllable is ball. What's the second syllable? Good, ball. I'm pretty sure we learned this word or reviewed it, but in case we didn't, we'll go over it one more time. What sounds do you hear in the word ball? All right, we hear the sounds b, ah, ol. Our ah is not our usual ah. We're going to use ah. Which ah do we use in ball? Good, ah, but there's one other thing. We're going to use our floss rule. Class, what's our floss rule? All right, if you didn't know it, listen carefully and then say it with me. We often double F, L, or S after a single vowel at the end of a one-syllable word. Say that with me. We often double F, L, or S after a single vowel at the end of a one-syllable word. So we're going to double our, good, we're going to double our ol. Write the sounds in ball and say them when you write them. All right, class, put your finger under the first phonogram in that compound word you just wrote. What is it? Good. B, A, S. Silent final E job 1. What's next? Good. B, A, ol. Good. You remembered that I needed to use my floss rule. All right, make sure yours looks like this. Let's go through the markings. Good. We need to underline it because it's saying its name. We underline it because it's part of our silent final E job 1 team. Of course, we're going to double underline our silent final E job 1. How about this? This one? Class, what are the 3 sounds of this phonogram? Good. A, ah. Which sound is it saying? Good, it's saying ah. That's its 3rd sound, so it's going to get a 3. Don't mark it yet. How about this? No, we don't mark our floss rule. All right, pick up your pencil, go to the beginning, make sure you get all the markings. All right, let's read our word. All right, nice job. The next word is sport. Class, what's the word? Good, sport. My favorite sport to play is soccer. Sport. What sounds do you hear in the word sport? Good, our sounds are s, p, or t. Say them while you write them. All right, class, put your finger under the first phonogram in that word you just wrote. What is it? Good. S. Good. Or. And good. T. All right, make sure yours looks like that. Let's go through the markings. Does it need a marking? Good. We need both those letters to say or, and how about this? All right, pick up your pencil. All right, let's read our word. Good, sport. All right, the next word is coach. What's the word? Good, coach. Let's see. He is the coach of our team. Coach. What sounds do you hear in the word coach? Good. Our sounds are k, o, ch. Our O is O the O of boat. Which O are we using? Good. O the O of boat. And our ch is ch, k, sh. That's what we usually use for ch. All right. Write the sounds in coach. Say them while you write them. All right, put your finger under the first phonogram in the word coach, and that word you just wrote. What does it say? Good. Which O? Good. O, the O of boat. And good. Ch. All right, make sure your word looks like mine. And let's mark it. Does this need a marking? How about this? Good, we need to underline our O, the O of boat. How about this? Good, we need to underline our ch, k, sh. Pick up your pencil. And let's read our word class. Good, coach. All right, our last word for today is score. What's the word? Good, score. I wonder what the score of the game will be. Score. Score is a two-way word. To spell it, we're gonna say score. I know that sounds funny. Listen one more time. Score. All right, say that with me. Score. Good. What sounds do you hear in score? Good. Our sounds are s, k, o, r. This is a, o, u. How are we going to make it say o? Good. Silent final E. Job 1. Say the sounds while you write them. All right, put your finger under the first phonogram in that word. What is it? Good. S. Good. K. O. R. Silent final E. Job 1. All right, let's go through the markings. Does this need a marking? How about this? How about this? Good, it's saying its name. How about this? Part of our silent final E job 1 team. And how about this? Good, we need to double underline silent final E job 1. Pick up your pencil. All right, let's read our word class. Good, so to spell it, we would say sk-o-r, scour, scour. When we're speaking, we say score. All right, let's see what needs our thinking cap. Scour, score. Is it this? How about this? Good, we're going to put the thinking cap on both of those phonograms. When we're talking, we hear the sound score. We say it this way so we remember our silent final E. Otherwise, we would have to make it a job 6, and those ones are hard to remember. We want to give it more of a reason to be there. All right, so we say this, how do we say this word to spell it? Good, we say scour. Nice work, class. I'll see you in our next video.